Hey guys, so this video is just like a short packing video and explaining on like what we're bringing and all that. And this is gonna be the first video of the series, so I'll be uploading every day, like from now, and you'll get to see it daily, I guess. So, roll to the next clip.
This is how we pack. Everybody has shorts, undies, top, with it closed. And we got places to go. All right, I'm gonna show you how we pack for a almost 3-week road trip. You gotta have blankets. Gotta have, this is a, what's it called? An air mattress. Oh my gosh. This is for Nora because she kicks when she sleeps. And you have to have towels because we're going to water park, so we have 4 towels. We have a life vac in case somebody chokes on something, and you can easily extract it without having to attempt the Heimlich maneuver. We have extra bags for trash, and then we have all the snacks. We got chips, we got spicy jalapeno smoked sausages, we got alphabet cookies, we got goldfish, we got popcorn, we got trail mix, we got all the things. We've got sheets, we have a car outlet, plug in, must have. We have plates and we have coffee. We have a nice Keurig with our pods because you know when you're traveling, hotel coffee is not very good. Never leave home without your first aid kit. Some games to play with your family. The TENS unit when you are dying after a day of riding roller coasters. Adventures in Odyssey. Gotta listen to it. We have our devotional for our family we're going to be doing. We have some quick dry towels that'll easily pack into our bags. Don't leave home without your paper towels. We have shades. These are for the car. Back. Relax the back. Fanny pack. Chirp wheel. After a day of riding roller coasters, crack your back. Cooler. The big one. Ta-da! But I would like to figure this out. And this is our makeshift inside outside to our camera for if somebody is acting a fool behind our car. We have video of it.
Okay, so these we had last road trip, so they're basically like little backseat holder things. You could store all your accessories in here, all books and cords and whatever, and blankets for comfort. These things, you put it on, you pull it down, you stick it in, and you have a little makeshift shade that you can use. Big battery just in case we break down in the middle of nowhere and we have to jump start our car for no reason.
Right. Good. How we put this side. This is the air mattress. Because Nora is a terrible cheerleader sleeper. Do you know what that means? She kicks you. So if I end up sleeping next to her, she's going on my floor.
Okay, this portion is how to hack the GoPro because I do that. So we have the actual GoPro itself, which this is being filmed on. And we have the GoPro wet case, or like just in case you want to store it. We have the battery charger, we have the battery cord, and we have the batteries. The most important part. You have this little tripod thingy, which you can wrap around poles and door frames and everything. And I have my other tripod, which is what this is filmed on right now. I have this screwdriver because the bolts I use to screw it in the little thing, my dog broke that because of the dog. I have the actual screws, which is very essential. And there's also one on the GoPro right now, the battery. And I guess that's it. Sometimes if I'm like going to a theme park, I use my fanny pack to hold something. Maybe not. But just for the basics right now, I'm putting it in my GoPro bag so that when I take it with me, it would be easy transporting, and it says GoPro on it, so you know what it is.
Hey guys, this is what I am going to be packing for the road trip. I have a canvas bag. First of all, I'm packing books. This is information. You know what? It's books. 4 books to keep me entertained because I'm mostly on my phone. I'm packing pencils and a pen. I'm going to have a sketchbook. It's not here right now. Markers. Oh, no reason. Earring box. My appliance, which are a thing that I have to wear. And toiletries. I do not want to suffer. And that's what I'm going to be packing. Plus a few other stuff I'm probably going to find. Oh yeah, and a paintbrush.